Hi Eric. So I was retesting this issue and I checked this on test and live and I'm able to reproduce this on both the environments. So this is the calendar I created and this is only attendees. That available hours I set to 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And if I go to the employee shift, the shift has been set to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. For all the days. I checked this with other shift also on Tuesday as mentioned in this issue. But for this I'll show you first what is happening. So now what I'm going to do is I'll copy the calendar. I'll share the calendar link with the contact. And if I go select Monday 10 a.m. all time is in IST. Okay, so Monday if I view more available slots, you can see I'm able to select till 5:30 p.m. However, the shift of this employee is till 5 p.m. for 4th September, and for 4th September I'm able to select 5:30 p.m. This is happening even if the next day shift is more than the Monday shift, that is Tuesday shift is till 6 p.m. or it's just 5 p.m. It is same on Monday and Tuesday. So I should only be able to select slot till 4 p.m. I should only be getting option till 4 p.m. and this slot should not be available. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.